The Swedish Post has a collection of pre-stamped parcels that makes it easier to send things. Our task was to tell people that it's possible to send almost anything overnight with the green parcels. So we packed 80 parcels with all sorts of stuff and recorded 80 specific sounds, presenting the sound of green, a competition for your ears. We've all shaken a wrapped gift to try to find out what's inside. The rules were simple: shake, listen, win. To increase your chance of winning, you could improve the sound quality by playing with the sliders. Or you could ask a friend. The first parcel disappeared after a total of 80 guesses. As people kept on guessing, the parcels disappeared one after another. After only 12 days of guessing, only one parcel was left, and the competition went into a prestige battle. After a whopping total of 140,240 guesses, the competition came to an end. And in the real world, the items were sent to the happy winners and landed in the mailbox the very next day. With the Swedish Post pre-stamped parcels, you can send almost anything to anyone.